Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use this Windload Deadload tool. So what this tool basically does is it allows you to place Windload and Deadload annotation symbols in an elevation view. So normally doing this manually can be tedious and is also error prone. So hopefully this program will um, help improve that process. So what the tool basically does is it finds profiles that have windload and deadload in a curtain wall, and it places the symbols accordingly at their heights. So to use the tool, just go to WW Drafting and then navigate to the Components panel and select WL/DL. So the first thing that pops up is the selection form. So this allows you to select any elevation that's in the current view. And this is just to make things a little easier instead of having to tab through the walls, which can be pretty annoying. And there's also the option to select the wall that you want manually with the Select Manually button. I'm not going to do that option. So now that I have my wall, I'm going to click OK. And this form will pop up with some options. If you want to, you can include symbols on both sides of the wall. I'm not going to do that. And here's a height offset you can put for the annotation placement. You could just use the same value for the offset, or if you want, you can select the offset for each individual floor or level that the annotation is being placed at. For example, you could place the wind load symbol at 33 feet and change that offset if you wanted to, but I'm just going to use the same. And then once you're done, select placement point of first symbol, so hit place, and then you'll select the placement point of first symbol, and the symbols will be populated. And that's how you use the tool. Thank you.